Alright, so here's the actual images of the new Murano for 2025. So it's going to have a lot of in common with the Ariya EV kind of setup, but this is going to be a full gas, most likely a 2.0 turbo with that variable compression system for the engine. So let's take a look at some other features here. So here's a shot of the interior a little bit and the exterior there. So this is the all new Murano coming out for next year. And let's take a look at some other images of the car so you can see a lot of NX kind of vibes, RS kind of vibes for the tail. And then one more time, there's a side profile with the chrome and so forth. Little front grille look as well. So the Murano's been out for quite some time in its current iteration, so it's about time that we're getting the new version. Once again, there's the tail light there, so a lot of the same design themes between all the manufacturers, especially in the rear end of the car. And most likely we're going to probably see a 2-liter turbo engine, maybe a conventional automatic or a CVT. You never know with Nissan at the moment, but this is definitely in the pipeline. And once again, you're going to take a look. You kind of see the interior details once again on the automobile. So once again, 2025 Nissan Murano, first look. And I'd like to see what your thoughts are based on the design and the looks. So once again, there's the car to see it. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. And have a wonderful day. Take care.